We're live. I'm excited. And I have waited so long to do this. I have waited so long to do this. Woo! I have waited so long to do that just for this moment, okay? So I'm going to give everybody a minute. I'm about to show y'all T9 water behavior. We have not been nice to this. I say me and my family. My daughters help me wash my vehicles also. Hey, Jerry, how you doing? I'm going to give everybody a little bit to get on here. So T9 is on this panel right here. It has been on there for about a month. It has been neglected. It has been abused. Nobody has given it any love. I have not treated it nice. Let's just say a really, really strong, yeah, I'm just gonna say that. There's been some torture, okay? I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna get in the details. It has been hammered on, okay? There is a section, I'm gonna put this out there right now. There's a section. I applied this to my truck when the badging was on. I wet sanded with 1,000 and 2,000. I haven't went any farther than 3,000, but that's gonna show like the blank canvas where the badging was, okay? But we're running our active. We're running the 4.0 40-degree nozzle. I'm excited about this. Woo! I cannot wait for y'all to see this, okay? I'm trying to give everybody a few minutes, a few seconds to get on here. I like everybody to catch it live. I know I'm talking a lot. I'm hyped. I'm excited. This is a bad mama. This thing is bad to the bone. There is nothing like it I've ever seen in my life. The paint is slick. The paint is hydrophobic. The water, it's like, what is water? Like T3 is like, what's water? But this is like, please, you're trying, okay? I'm wanting y'all to see this. It is sick. It's so awesome. Okay. All right. I think we've got enough time. All right. Should I do it, baby girl? Am I ready? Yeah? Okay. My oldest is giving me the head nod, so here we go. I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you all the panel. What's up, Ian? Hey, I'm going to say hi to everybody really quick. I'll give everybody, hey, Kevin. Hey, Jeremy. Hey, Felix. Excited for everybody. Hope everybody got in their orders today. I know the server was busy. I was frantically racing when Jose called me. I actually ignored his call because he called me. I was like, the site must be live. So anyways, it's an exciting day for DPC. July 10th will go down in history as a great day for DPC and Scott. I'm so excited for him and everything he's been doing the past 30 years and everything up until this point. So, sir, I love you. This one's for you, sir. I love you. All right, here we go. Give me a 1 in the comments if you're catching me live and a 2 in the comments if you're catching me on the recording, and let me know where you're coming from. I'll say hi to y'all later. We're going to get into this water test. So here, okay, so let's turn the camera around. Here we go. Here we go. All right. We got our panel right here. I'm going to make sure I get focused. I know we got low lighting, but here it is, okay? I'm not going to say anything else. I'm just going to let y'all watch, and I'm going to get after this. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'll get to you in a little bit, Ian, or Felix, sorry. All right, here we go. 3, 2, here we go. Get ready to be blown. Look at that. That is insane. You have never seen water fly off paint so fast. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look how close I am. Do you see how close I am? There we go. We'll go on this side. It is, it can't, the camera can't even, oh, I'm telling you, the shine and gloss and the depth on this is insane. Okay, so we're gonna get down here. I'm gonna show you all the flat part, okay? So I'm gonna flood it like crazy. We're getting 2+ gallons a minute on this thing, okay? And we are gonna go hot and heavy on this thing. And you're gonna see the difference between no protection in flat paint and T9, the best titanium coating you can ever put on your vehicle for the money. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. You're going to see the flying off the paint right there, but you're going to see it dead right down there. Can you see it? You'll know where I wet sanded. See the difference. See the difference. Holy smokes. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm hitting it harder. I'm going to lift up and you're going to see how this panel looks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lift up. 3, 2, 1, lift up. Look at that. That water is just, I'll stand back. I mean, it is. Can you see the water? The water's like, and it's still, look at that. I mean, it is like 90% dry. Now look down here, no protection. It's insane. Like this depth on this panel is, I wish, I'm getting it bit up my mosquitoes. I don't care, I'm doing it. Look at that. Can you see the gloss? Okay, this is a 2011. Like there was nothing done but some priming and no wet sanding. So the orange peel is like super intense right up here. You can see it right there. Look at that orange peel. It's so intense, okay? I have never seen orange peel look so awesome in a weird way, but I mean, it's incredible. Look at that panel. The panel is virtually dry. You could blow on it and take like a little, small little microfiber that Scott's gonna be bringing, and it's gonna be easy to dry. So we're gonna do it again. I'll let y'all watch. Flooding it and go. Flooding it again. You shouldn't do this. What's up, Chelsea? Look at that. It is sick. I'm telling you, when you guys get ready to pull the trigger and you feel confident enough, go with T9. Look at that. That is insane. I can't say anything. The canvas speaks for itself, y'all. This is it. This is where you want to be at. I'm telling you, this is making life easy. And if you're a detailer and you don't have this on your car, I'm going to ask you why not, because this is going to make your life easier. You're going to save time and everything, because I have 3 kids and I want to be inside of mine, but I do like having a clean vehicle. So DI water and this, oh my word. Come on now. All right, here we go again. I want y'all to see it again. 3, 2, heavy flooding. We'll get down here. We'll see what it looks like on bare paint compared to the protection. You can see it. Look at that. Huge difference. I mean, yeah, you know where T9 is at. You know where it's at. Bare paint, T9. That is a beautiful sight. I will. Just a second, Jerry. Just a second. I'm going to do that. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn it off. Hold on 1 second. I was working on it. You got to give me a second. I'm going to unplug it, and then we'll get down here and we'll do it, okay? So let me take this off really quick, and here we go. Let me get the water pressure out. Y'all ready? All right, hold on. Got some air bubbles. Here we go. Woo! It's such a beautiful sight. Such a beautiful sight. That is such, oh my word. Let me see if I can slow down. Hold on. I get out of focus. Here we go. Woo! That is just I love it. It's just insane. If I had a different nozzle, yeah, it'd probably be a little different, but that is just, oh, look at that. Look at that compared to down there. Beautiful. I'm telling you, depth, shining gloss, slickness of paint. You got 9 years of durability. That's another thing. Do it once and be done. I'm just saying. This is where it's at, okay? This is just, oh. Hold on. Let me get this. Oh, right here. There we go. It's not touching the paint. Don't worry. Isn't that cool? That is just so cool. Oh. It looks so good. Okay. All right, guys. I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great night. That is DPC T9. We'll do some more videos later. I wanted to show y'all. I hope y'all have a great night. I'm excited about this. I hope y'all are pumped. Y'all take it easy and have a blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.